chose this tree because it's easy to
There's
burrow
the
in.
tree.
Okay, she'll probably put it in.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
The tree just fell, and now we can hear the scratching sounds like it's an animal's inside the tree trying to get out. Sounds like it's over here.
At the crack.
Wait,
Careful, you don't squish him.
Where is he?
The thing is, we gotta be careful we don't kill it in the process. Can you lift it?
It might run out. Nope. Oh, there it is.
It's a squirrel. Look, it's a squirrel. Look, there he is. David, roll it towards you.
Don't squish him.
There he is.
He's like, oh, nowhere to go.
Careful, he might bite, because he's afraid.
Oh, poor thing.
He's like, oh, my home. My beautiful home.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see if he looked in.
That was a shocker for him.
Yeah.
Bump. Oh.
Wonder if he's gonna be okay.
He's gonna be fine. He looks okay. Look at how he's bounding. He just has to find a new home now. He's a little confused.